Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to adjust sound volume on this laptop. To do that, simply click on these three icons in the bottom right screen of your display, and then you can move the slider to the left or to the right in order to change the sound volume. If you want to do it quicker, at least for me it's quicker, you can use shortcuts, not even shortcuts, but the function keys at the top of your screen. Before you can use them, you have to unlock the function keys. To do that, press Fn button with escape button at the same time. If you see the slide on, and once the slide on the escape key turns off, that means that your function keys are unlocked, and you can increase the level of your volume by pressing F3, decrease it by pressing F2, and mute the speaker by pressing F1. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.